In this video, you will learn how to post anonymously to a Facebook group. To do this, you have to ensure that the anonymous posting button is turned on in this particular group where you want to post anonymously. If you are a group admin and you wish to learn how to turn the anonymous posting button on, a link in the description box will guide you. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Let's get started. Launch the Facebook app. Click on the three lines at the top right hand corner. Click on groups. We are getting to the group where we want to post anonymously. This is the group here. Make sure the anonymous button is turned on. If you are an admin and you don't know how to do this, a link will be in the description. This is anonymous posts. I will simply click here, anonymous post. Anonymous posts appear in this group without your name. Your name will still be visible to the group's admins, moderators, and to Facebook systems. Details you include in an anonymous post could reveal your identity to others. So, some options have been disabled to avoid exposing your identity. Anonymous posts are submitted directly to admins and moderators for approval. We will notify you when your post is published in the group. So, click on Create Anonymous Post. This is where you will type. You can see there is no name here. It is written group member. There is no name. Your name won't be shown. So, you type whatever post you want. Type what you want to post and click Submit. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Bye-bye.